Shade, very important right about now.
Interesting, you say that, but when we read our temperatures, that temperature reading is actually in the shade.
Oh.
So when you're in the sun, you're actually feeling 10 to 15 degrees warmer than what you're reading there on the thermometer that's actually in the shade.
Oh my gosh, 10 to 15 degrees even worse.
Yes, yes. So find the shade. I mean, still, end of the day.
It's better, but AC is the best bet.
Yeah. Inside, away from it, in some sort of climate-controlled environment.
Yes, we can.
I want to talk a little bit more about not just the sunshine, but what this is doing to not just the heat, but our air quality. Looking over Center City right now, you see more sunshine than what we had yesterday. That will do two things for us now as we hit the afternoon hours. One, obviously, it's giving us more heat, because that will warm up the non-shaded areas as well as the shaded areas. And with that, we still, once again, have this heat advisory that will run until 8 o'clock this evening. Feels like temperatures within this heat advisory could get up to around 103. Now, we also have an air quality alert for most of the state of New Jersey. Here's why we have this air quality alert. It's not because of smoke, it's because of ozone. It's a code orange, so those of you in the sensitive group, so those of you with respiratory issues or heart issues or just the younger kids or the older generations, take it easy today because you could have some health effects. And here's why. On days like today, now we normally have pollution, right? I mean, it's a big city. We have a lot of interstates that run through our area. There's a lot of this emissions that are out there, these nitrogen oxides, you're getting chemistry class here, volatile organic compounds, all of that is always there. But on days like today where we have more sunshine combined with more heat than what is normal, all of these compounds mix with that sun and that heat to literally form a chemical reaction near the surface where it's hottest. And that chemical reaction produces ozone, O3. That's good in the upper levels of the atmosphere. You've heard the ozone layer. That protects us from ultraviolet radiation. But when it's near the surface, obviously not protecting us from UV rays, but we breathe it in. And ozone is something that can damage our lung tissue. So we need to take it easy today. It's not a really, really bad day, but it's bad enough to we're going to have a little bit elevated levels of ozone today because of those blue skies and that sunshine and that heat. 92 right now. Feels like temperatures at 94 degrees. It's a scorcher out there. I mean, we're already feeling like 100 degrees in Wilmington. Feels like 98 degrees in Atlantic City. Forecast highs this afternoon are going to be right there in the middle 90s for many of us. So again, clear skies out there. Hard to find a cloud in the sky. There's a few out there. There's certainly not any rain. The closest rain is actually with the storm system that we're watching moving across the Midwestern states. That brings us our next chance of rain as we go into late tomorrow, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So here's what we see as we put our forecast model into motion. We see those clear skies, maybe a few passing clouds at times, and then tomorrow we'll start off dry. We'll see a lot of sunshine. It turns out to be another hot and humid day, but watch this. Chance of showers arrive from the west as we go through tomorrow afternoon, and then this frontal boundary will hang around as we go into the weekend, meaning our chance of rain will hang around Friday, Saturday, Sunday, maybe even into Monday. But during that time, also some cooler air will begin to arrive that will drop those temperatures back down into the 80s for at least a short time, maybe even for the rest of fall, which would be nice, right? But for now, the heat wave continues. It is a weather alert day. Just take it easy through the afternoon. Same thing tomorrow with that high of 96, 92 on Friday. Then here comes that better chance of rain Saturday into Sunday, and then finally the change of showers starts to depart as we go into Monday and Tuesday. Jan, over to you.
A little bit relief this weekend. All right, Grant, thank you.